We're Immobiliser Fit and this is an Ioniq 5 protected with an I96 Connect. So if a thief grabs the key and goes to steal the vehicle, it's going to start, but when they put it in gear, you'll see the vehicle cuts out and they'll be unable to drive it away. Being the Connect system, you'll see our phone's going to ring and let us know someone's trying to steal the vehicle. So every time they put it in gear, vehicle cuts out, we're going to get a call. So as you see, if the car's parked around the corner, we're going to know about it. If you want to drive it, you don't want to get the call, you start the car. Before you put it in gear, you put the code in. For now we have 1, 2, 3. Hear a tone, we can put it in gear. Vehicle remains running. As you can see, it's ready. We don't get a phone call and we can drive away. Don't want to waste time doing a code? Just have the Bluetooth on your connected phone, start the car. Disarm straight away, no need to do a code, you can drive off. Vehicle goes into gear as you can see. Vehicle's ready. No need to waste time doing a code, you can drive off, phone doesn't ring. With this system, you don't need to do anything. As soon as your phone goes out of range when you exit the vehicle, or 10 seconds after you turn the ignition off, the system becomes active. So once again, if a thief grabbed your key as you left, put it in gear to drive off, it goes from ready to off. We get these tyre pressure faults which are normal, but the vehicle's not going anywhere, it's protected. So we'll just turn it off. As you see, system's giving us a call again to let us know someone's trying to steal the vehicle. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is an I96 Connect fitted to a 2021 Hyundai Ioniq 5. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.